Hello guys, I'm going to take you through how you can install Google Sheets on your computer or your laptop. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to head over to what? Google Chrome. I already have Google Chrome, so here I am in Google Chrome. Now, if you don't have it, I also have a video on how to install Google Chrome on my channel. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to make sure you are signing to your Google account where you have your Google Sheets you want to install from. So now you want to access your Google Apps. If you come to your Google Chrome, there are Google Apps option here. If you click on it, you are going to see all your Google Apps here. Now you want to head over to your Google Sheets and click on Sheets here. Now it's going to directly open your Google Sheet here. So where you have all your sheet and everything here. So the next thing you want to do is what? You want to what? Click the three dots here. Now when you click on the three dots, you want to scroll down and look for what? Cast, save and share. Just hover on it. You see what option like save page as, install page as app. Now this is exactly what you are looking for. You are looking for what? Install page as app. When you see this option, which is for install page as app, just click on it. Now it's going to ask you install this page as app. Yes, you want to install, so you just click on what? Install. Now it's going to go ahead and install this Google Sheet for you as what? App. I can go ahead and close my Chrome and also close my sheet. Now when I come directly to the desktop, I have my sheet here and I also have it on my taskbar. So I can click on it directly, and once I click on it, it takes me directly to what? My Google Sheets. You can what? Edit, do anything you want to do with it. So that is how you install Google Sheet on your PC or laptop. If this video is helpful, don't forget to what? Like, subscribe, and if you have any question, you can also drop in the comment section. See you in another video.